Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Veronica, and today's video is going to be a brand review. That brand is Lasio Professional Hair Care. So before I go ahead and start with the video, I want to kindly ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video, comment down below, and please make sure to click the notification bell to be notified every single time that I update a new video on my YouTube channel. And that's for the video. Let's go ahead and start with the video. So like how I just said in the intro, today is going to be a brand review, and today I'm going to be reviewing Lasio Professional Hair Care. So if you have a dry, frizzy hair, those are the right products for you, because this product is going to help you smooth, shine, and silky your hair, as well retain and restore your hair health and strength while controlling frizz. So today is going to be my first time using the products, and I'm going to be showing you guys step by step of how I use each product. So this is going to be a 30 days hair experiment. So I'm going to be using these products for 30 days straight. So on this experiment, I'm not trying to see how much my hair can grow in 30 days. Basically what I'm looking for is to see how beautiful and nice my hair can look like with these products. One more thing that I have to say is that I have a natural Afro hair. I watched so many videos on YouTube about this brand, and honestly I didn't find anyone with my type of hair. I see people with curly hair, with straight hair, but not someone with Afro hair. we are getting to the end of this video, and now I'm gonna give you guys my conclusion. So on the video, I cannot lie, blow dry my hair a little bit. I didn't straighten my hair because I didn't want to, but I blow dry my hair to show you guys how my hair looks like, because it's a little bit hard to see when it's not blow dry. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is the shampoo, and the first thing that I'm going to say is that I really love the smell of this shampoo right here. The shampoo smells really fresh, it smells really nice, and the best thing about it is that the smell actually stay in your hair after washing your hair and brushing your hair with water. So the smell gonna stay in your hair. And the other thing that I have to say, not just about the shampoo, also for the conditioner, is that with just less amount of products is enough for your entire hair. And honestly, that is a plus, because that one of the things that I always looking for every time that I get like a new hair product. So I love the bottle, I love the design, I love everything about it, and also I love how much products you actually get, because as you guys saw, I have a lot of hair, and being able to use like minimum amount of products and that amount being enough for my hair is something that honestly I really like. For the conditioner is the same thing, and you guys not gonna believe that, but the conditioner and the shampoo, they have like different smell, and both smell really nice and fresh. I also love that the shampoo and the conditioner are the same side, that way you can kind of like have enough products for both a bottle, because I hate when my conditioner end but I still have my shampoo. And also with the conditioner, you don't have to go with a lot of products. With just a nice amount of products is enough for your hair. So I love these two products, and honestly I'm gonna give them an A plus, because I love how they feel, how my hair looks after using them, and also I love the smell of it. So now let's go ahead and talk about the hair mask. I'm someone who use hair mask twice or 3 times per week depending how my hair looks like, and also I use different type of hair masks depending of the situation of my hair. What I mean with it is that the amount of product that you get in this bottle right here is not enough for anybody. I don't know you guys, but this is not enough for me. Like when I was using this, I tried to leave something just to show you guys. This is how much product left inside, and that's because I did it in purpose. You know, I love the hair mask, I love how it feels on my hair, I love the smell of it. The hair mask is nice, and also it's really easy to spray out because it's a hair mask, and also because the product is a little more thicker than the conditioner and the shampoo. So I think like at least the bottle should be a little bit bigger than this. So this is one of the hair masks that I use for my hair, and you guys can see the amount of products that you get on this one comparing to this one right here. So this is not enough for anybody. I think like you can just use this one. So for the hair mask, I think I'm just gonna give it like a B minus, just because I don't like the amount of products that you get. In conclusion, I do like the products, I do like how the products work on my hair. I feel like when you apply the products in your hair, you instantly get the effect, and also you can feel a difference in your hair, and honestly I really love that about it. And also I love that the different smell of the 3 products, they stay in your hair, because sometimes when you wash your hair, the shampoo smell or the conditioner or any other product you use during your hair routine doesn't stay in your hair, and that's not nice. I feel like your hair should smell and look fresh. Honestly, I love how my hair looks like, I love how it feels, and also I love how it smells. So basically that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.